debt reduction actually frees up resources. It's actually a very good thing because it frees up resources for the vulnerable, for social programs, capital expenditure, for hospital, to pay the teachers and nurses and the police more. That's what reducing the debt does for us. The key ratio that we need to continue to observe as a country is that primary surplus ratio and debt reduction. That's where we need to focus. Now, I would say in order to reduce the debt to GDP ratio, what you really need to focus on is growing your economy. So you grow GDP so that your wages and salaries become a lower percentage of your overall GDP. With the increased compensation to our public servants, we're looking forward to the implementation of the performance management system, where there's a significant investment being made so that we can track performance and have accountability and increase productivity. If you increase productivity of your public services, you're actually increasing GDP. So we need to get more efficiency because we have taken a big increase in public sector compensation, and it's probably not even where we should be as a country in terms of where they should be in terms of competitiveness, in terms of wages and salaries to the private sector. But it's a step in the right direction, and it's a significant increase in resources, over $95 billion increase in 1 year to the public sector. So therefore, what we need to do is focus on increasing productivity, increasing our GDP. We also need to then determine over the medium to long term, where would we want to see this range, the fiscal rule or this 9% growth rate? Because this was done in a different context in 2013, where this 9% rule was established. Does this need review right now? What we know we don't want to compromise on is our debt reduction strategy, because debt reduction actually frees up resources. It's actually a very good thing because it frees up resources for the vulnerable, for social programs, capital expenditure, for hospital, to pay the teachers and nurses and the police more. That's what reducing the debt does for us.